Okay, hi guys. I'm here today to show you another tool that I'm using to scrape uh, different kind of application or different kinds of medium to get data. Like for instance, PDF files, right, or PDF format like this one, and it has the tables like the name of the company, phone number, postal code, and their website. Okay. I don't know if there's an application that you can use to do this, but I've created my own application that can be used to get this kind of this kind of data in uh, in a table. I haven't tried if it's going to work if the data are placed under a grid format or list format. But I'll show you, okay? Here's the data or there's the code that I created. It's a GUI base, okay? And I use Tesseract and PDF Plumber, and also the import.io and Pandas, of course. It should be Pandas because I'm going to convert this to a CSV format so it can be readable and you can format the CSV file or transfer it to your Google Sheets if you want it. Okay, let me open the file. Okay, now right here I'm going to type Python. Okay, and then the file name, which is a PDF reader dot the extension .py. Okay, as you can see, here's the program, and the file that we're going to scrape is right or on this pane. There are two, but we're going to for the purpose of this video to speed this up. Okay, I'm going to scrape the PDF file, which is the 909004 download.pdf version. Okay, then you click on upload. As you can see, it's here in here. Okay, it might take a while. Okay, it's here. There's a company name. Okay, company information, company, then the phone, the postal, the website. Okay, let me see if that's correct. Okay, that's A and I. Oh, what's this? Electric, right? And then the phone number. Okay, that's 647 is okay. Then we're going to go here. So you can see electric, and then that's the phone number. That's postal, then the website. Okay, so we got it. Okay, and it can right now I haven't tried to do the pagination, or if there's some multiple pages in here, or if the page is some PDF are not placed or designed like this. Sometimes they are page by page. Okay, and I haven't tried that right now, but for now it can scrape tables like this. Okay, can if those are thousands of tables, it can be scraped by this tool. All right, so that's it. You can export that whatever you want it. Okay, you can put it here like sample dot oh no, you can just put sample because it's a CSV file. Okay, it's the same. As you can see, it's exported successfully. It's in there. All right, you can see it's already here, all of it. Okay, thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Because on the next video, what we're going to show to you is the to convert any kind of text, any kind of penmanship, or if that's like a steno type of handwriting. Okay, convert it to normal text. Yeah, I'm also doing that right now. I'm also planning to create that kind of program or tool that can be used by any person. Okay, you just have to launch the person or the tool, and then yeah, I'm just going to make this all of my program executable and probably create my own GitHub. Okay, thank you very much and have a good day.